Have you ever wondered what the world's first international sports competition looked like? Let's journey back to 776 BC, when the ancient Olympics were born in Olympia, Greece. These early games, held every 4 years, brought together athletes from various Greek city-states to compete in events like running, wrestling, and chariot racing. Imagine the excitement as thousands gathered to witness feats of strength and skill, all in honor of Zeus, the king of the gods. But by 394 AD, this grand tradition came to an abrupt end. Roman Emperor Theodosius I, in his quest to establish Christianity as the empire's dominant religion, saw the pagan festivals as a threat to his mission. He banned the Olympics, deeming them incompatible with Christian values, and for over a millennium, the cheers of Olympia fell silent. But what were the events that led to the Olympics being revived into what we know and love today? In 1894, French educator Pierre de Coubertin spearheaded the creation of the International Olympic Committee, aiming to revive the ancient games. Just 2 years later, the first modern Olympics took place in Athens, Greece, featuring 14 nations and 43 events, reigniting the global spirit of competition. By 1900, the Paris Olympics introduced women athletes, marking a significant step towards inclusivity. In 1904, the Games travelled to St. Louis, USA, becoming the first Olympics held outside Europe and featuring the debut of African American athletes. The 1912 Stockholm Olympics brought technological advancements with electronic timing and photo finishes, enhancing the accuracy and excitement of the competitions. However, the outbreak of World War I led to the cancellation of the 1916 Berlin Olympics, halting the momentum of this burgeoning international event. The interwar period saw the Olympics rise again. In 1920, Antwerp hosted the Games, introducing the Olympic flag and the athlete's oath. The 1924 Paris Olympics marked the start of the Winter Games, held in Chamonix, France. By 1936, Berlin showcased the Games with significant political undertones under Nazi Germany, making history with the first televised Olympics. Yet, global conflict loomed again. The Tokyo Olympics in 1940 and the London Olympics in 1944 were both cancelled due to World War II, pausing the celebration of international unity through sports once more. The post-war era breathed new life into the Olympics. In 1948, London hosted the Austerity Games, overcoming resource shortages to revive global sportsmanship. The 1952 Helsinki Olympics saw the Soviet Union join for the first time, intensifying the competition. The 1960 Rome Olympics introduced the world to fully televised games, bringing the excitement into living rooms globally. By 1964, Tokyo showcased Asia's first Olympics, blending tradition with cutting-edge technology. The 1972 Munich Olympics were marred by tragedy with the terrorist attack on the Israeli team, a somber moment in Olympic history. In 1980, the Moscow Olympics faced a significant boycott led by the USA in protest of the Soviet invasion of Afghanistan, which the Soviet bloc reciprocated in 1984 by boycotting the Los Angeles Games. The 1992 Barcelona Olympics symbolized a new era of peace and cooperation, with many Eastern Bloc countries participating under new flags, highlighting the end of the Cold War and the unifying power of sports. The modern era continued this legacy of unity and innovation. The 2000 Sydney Olympics were praised for their organization and inclusivity. In 2008, Beijing dazzled the world with its spectacular opening ceremony and state-of-the-art venues. The 2012 London Olympics emphasized sustainability and legacy, transforming the city. The 2016 Rio de Janeiro Olympics brought the Games to South America for the first time, celebrating its vibrant culture despite economic and political challenges. The 2020 Tokyo Olympics was delayed to 2021 due to the COVID-19 pandemic, held with strict health protocols and no spectators. Looking ahead, Paris will host the 2024 Olympics, marking 100 years since it last did. And Los Angeles is set to welcome the world in 2028, focusing on sustainability and innovation, promising to continue the tradition of global unity and athletic excellence. If you enjoyed this content, you may like this video on the dawn of timekeeping and how we started to track the concept of time,